Hey everyone, and welcome back to the Top Collectors channel for yet another video. In today's video, we will be unboxing the Audi R8 Coupe, the regular, and first edition, this navy blue and black, both released at the end of 2020. Car number 38. Let's go. It's not the first time Tomica has done the Audi R8 as a casting. They did it a few years back and they brought it back for 2020 with the revised mold. So it's being stubborn today. There we go. As always, Tomica little bags. Let's look at this. Very quickly, right off the bat, painted headlights, no details on the headlights. It's pretty shameful. Very detailed Audi badging right there. A little bit of a painted front grille. That plastic insert looks a little bit more like painted. Very flat paint. It's a very flat blue. Does not really give up any nice vibes compared to some other cars. Just got silver painted paneling, no detail for the fuel tank over there. It's just embossed but not really outlined or defined. The back is not too shabby. You have plastic tail lights there. Not sure why they couldn't put plastic headlights at the point that they're at this far. Got a pretty nicely detailed rear diffuser. Got this little plastic piece over here. You got the plastic. Is this a separate piece? No, it's part of the actual casting, so it's not plastic. This is metal, and it's just painted over. Got this nice collection tray over here. Little detailed engine bay. That's always nice to see. Interior, it's a little hard to see, but overall, it's a little bit of a disappointing casting, in my opinion. Signature with suspension. Let's see if the first edition gets a little bit higher scores. So right off the bat, this paint seems like a semi-matte or semi-metallic flake. I seem to have a little bit of a deformation over there on the wing. It's a shame. I was liking this a little bit better than the regular edition. You got the little black outline panels compared to the first version. Let's put these side by side. You actually have now an outline gas tank on this one. The same painted headlights. Again, you have those black panels on the side, but the paint itself you can see that. Look at the sheen level, like this is almost like a semi-matte. While this is a straight gloss with a flat paint, so you got like a semi-matte with a little bit of a metallic flake inside, which gives it a little bit of a nice touch. Like charcoal gray, it's not even black. Overall, it is a little bit better than the regular edition.